animal. Over there. I'm going to look at it later. Here comes the wild beast, the predator that we're researching. He's really rare. We got to catch him in our trap. Okay, clear his airway. Give him the tranquilizer. Okay, catch his arms. Okay, we got him. Okay, let's check his nose. Okay, he's got an airway. His teeth are fierce. Oh, wow. Okay, look at his ear. He's got, okay, oh, he's grown. Okay, all right. Check his hair. Did it grow? He is growing wonderfully. He must be getting plenty of prey out there in the wild. He's a wild animal. Don't get too close. Ah! Ah! Okay, update his tag. Write a note on it. Okay, all right, let's let him go. Get ready.